Hey everyone, American Jedi here. I just wanted to, was working on my vlog. Probably got about 60 minutes in. I got a new series that I'm going to put out on my other channel. And basically, I'm just going to be talking about mental health issues, how I've come along, how I struggle. Like, for example, I didn't sleep last night and it's 9 o'clock in the morning now. But, yeah, I was just taking that, and I was about, a little over the 60-minute mark, and I was recording on 1080p, 60 frames per second, and this camera is still hot. Still really hot. And yeah, I had the screens on, and I had it in this thing, this media mod. So that doesn't probably help because there's no, like, ventilation in this thing. And I had this handle plugged into it. I had this light on. So yeah, and I have all of the features on. I have the hyper smooth on and the GPS and everything else. So the processor's probably working overtime trying to stay, just heats up. It overheats. So I'm gonna, go turn all that crap off, and maybe in the future I'll hold it instead of having it in the media mod. I don't know. Or just not take as much video at once. So I think I'm going to start doing my vlogs in 15-minute segments instead of, recording one long-ass video. So anyways, I thought I'd put that out there, that the GoPro Hero 11, it's a known issue that it overheats. So you can't shoot a 2-hour movie with the damn thing, so don't expect to do that. But anyways, just wanted to put this out there that it overheats. And I was on, I wasn't even shooting in 4K or 5K. So imagine, how much faster it overheats if you're shooting in those modes, But it didn't overheat when I went to Midtown and I was shooting in 5K. And I shot for a few hours, but, just mini, clips, like a minute here, a minute there, maybe 20 seconds here. Stuff like that. I wasn't shooting like for 60 minutes straight or anything like that. So maybe that's how it's intended to be used, is, kind of mini shots, or, a few minutes each clip, something like that. So anyways, just wanted to put that info out there and let you know. Hopefully it makes you make an informed decision on whether or not this is the camera for you. Still the camera for me. I just have to learn how to, work around this overheating issue. So take care out there and stay safe, guys. Bye.